Microchip has launched its highly popular industry-standard DualPack3 DP3 phase leg modules, featuring advanced IGBT7 technology. These modules are available in 300 amps, 600 amps, and 900 amps current ratings, with voltage options of 1200 volts and 1700 volts. The DP3 package offers optimal creepage distances for high-voltage applications, an integrated temperature sensor, and press-fit terminals, all within a compact and robust housing. Leveraging the benefits of IGBT7 technology, DP3 modules provide low conduction losses, a 175 degrees Celsius overload temperature, enhanced DVDT control, robust short-circuit capability, simplified drive requirements, and improved freewheeling diode performance. The combination of IGBT7 technology and DualPack3 packaging delivers higher power density, increased durability, reduced bill of materials, and simplified assembly. These key benefits reduce costs, streamline design, and speed up time to market. Target applications include motor control, solar central inverters, high-power UPS systems, wind turbines, commercial vehicles, construction and agriculture vehicles, CAVS, railways, energy storage, and power grid infrastructure. To learn more, please visit our website and contact our sales experts today.